Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Chidera here. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing, okay? And to you, all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for clicking on that subscribe button. Okay, you're highly welcome to this amazing family. Please always like, share and comment on the video, and always watch my ads. Okay, it's another way you can also support me. And to you, my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back to watch my video, for always supporting your girl. So guys, today we are making carrot cake. I'm going to be showing you how to make this yummy carrot cake that you are seeing right here. This recipe is very easy to make and the video is well detailed. So if you want to know how I made this, then keep on watching guys, and let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. Okay, and please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment, like and share. So guys, let's get started. These are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this carrot cake. I have carrots here. I have my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. I have my sugar here. My melted butter. Please ignore this plate. It's my microwave that actually spoils this plate. I have my milk. And then I have my vanilla essence and I have my egg. So guys, let's start making our cake, and don't forget to like this video. Okay, so to start with, I'll be grating my cake. I'm using my multi-purpose hand grater to grate the cake. I'm just going to grate it like so, as you're seeing right here. So I'm done now with my grating, and this is what the carrot is looking like. I'll go ahead now to start adding my wet ingredients, and to that I'll be going in with 2 eggs. I'll add in my milk, going with my melted butter. Don't worry, I'm going to put the ingredients I use with their measurement in the description box, so please do well to check it out. I'll add in my sugar now. I'll go in with my vanilla essence. And then I'm going to give this a very good mix to properly combine. I'm going to set this aside, and then to my dry ingredients, I have my flour. Adding to my flour, I'll be adding in my baking soda and my salt. I'm just going to mix this well to combine everything together. And then I'll be adding in my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients. Then I will fold it in just like this. You don't have to over mix your batter, okay? I'm just going to fold it in the way I've seen it. So guys, this is what our batter is looking like right now. Our batter is ready to be baked. If you have watched this video up to now, please give this video a thumbs up if you have not, and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, okay? So I'm using this foil plate to bake this cake. Somebody actually ordered for this cake, okay? So I'm using this foil plate for it, and I've already buttered and used my flour to dust it out. After that, I will be adding in my butter in. So guys, this is what our butter is looking like right now. I'll just put it in my oven and bake. And guys, our cake is ready. Look how yummy this cake came out. This cake came out so yummy. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you'll be trying out this recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? Like the video, comment on the video, and guys, help me to share, and please watch my ad, okay? Always watch my ad. It's another way you can support your girl. So guys, if you watch my recipes and you recreate it, please let me know in the comment section, okay? Always let me know in the comment section if you recreate my recipes. It gives me joy and it gives me the strength to do more. Thank you guys for watching, and until I come here next time, please stay safe. Bye.